In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FiveM could not contact entitlement service status code 530. So if you find this error in your computer, the only solution is to wait because the system will fix the problem. Now, to be updated, you just have to check from time to time this account on Twitter. So you can go to your search bar and type in cfx.re/5m. These are the official website of the said account. So you can check here what's the latest update from FiveM network. And you can also communicate to other users as well. So as of recently, there is no specific post, no serial maintenance or anything that can help fix the problem. You can also click the Rockstar games if there are updates, but still there's none. So this is all I can share to you and hope it helps you guys. And if you find this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.